क्या करता है आप? लड़की को क्यों हाथ उठाता है? आप क्या करता है? आप क्या करता है? लड़की को
Ori sana ni ang to dum lang ng kabuko.
Pulisnya apa ini pulisnya? Wait. And the central police attacking like anything. It is a very democratic way that we are taking up here. And also you see many of our Congress leaders are injured now. Our Vice President, this is Harish Goswami, is also injured now. They have beaten up like anything. This is not a fear. This government, this double engine government always attacking to the people. They are anti-people. They are attacking to the Congress leaders. They are politicalizing the issue. And our demand is very simple, that we want to restore peace and normalcy in the state, and also to investigate this Modi Adani, this scheme. So in this regard, these two agenda, we are marching to Governor's Gate. But still now, we are working we are trying to since this from 12 noon, and now still we are blocking at the gate of our party. We cannot reach out there at the Raj Bhavan gate. Now this is the situation you see. Many of the central forces are there at the road.
We are going to fight until peace is restored in Manipur, sir. We are going to fight until peace is restored in Manipur. Santi Phangandri Bau, Lem na koi tumi na toy. Santi Phanga bakande na koi tumi na legani. It is very unfortunate that the state government and the central government, they are trying their best to destroy the beauty of democracy here in Manipur. They are going beyond what is being said in the constitution. We are fighting for our right. We are fighting for our right. Why? Because more than 60,000 people, they are in the relief camps. Is it the way we are living to see this? Is it the government, how they are handling with the people of Manipur? They are beating us. They are hitting us. They are shooting us. Why? Because we raise our voice for the people of Manipur. We are raising our voice for the people of Manipur. Until and unless peace is restored, Santi Purak Tribau, Oi Tribau, Ya Tribau, Manipur ki praja miyam le nam haloi, maning sugan haloi. I call my fight over there. We are going to fight for peace. Santi ki lamje ne koi ne seli se. Yekna ba thi se abhi lamje na te. But Manipur government nas, Bharat Sarkar na, Sangvidhan ki phasab se thukai raga. I koi je sasan Manipur base. Masidi, we are really against this double engine government. They are betraying the trust of the people of Manipur.
They are totally failed. Whatever they are doing right now and since 2023 May is unacceptable to the people of Manipur. So whatever they are doing is illegal and they are just doing whatever they can. So we are very much against them. They are blocking us. So we are marching towards the Raj Bhavan to hand over our memorandum. That's that time they are blocking us. That is very excessive right now.
Kita break daw siya. Kita ngalo.
Ladrasi pala lone biang di pala nila mide.
当然了，陈友斌队长。那。
예, 자. 아좀 잡히라, 잡히라.
ngasi yamna peaceful loina mayam si nomen si akoi march to governor redena lakpani leader mayam loina yam peaceful function ni adu india gi room security forces amusung state ki security forces inna namdana chatna ba peaceful march bok chatna ba honor kwa du ba du da achok pon minor oina sok pon ba su kayam yore masi yam laibok tiben thamjage achok
Tâm cho xe.
Cái gì này? Nói gì đi mà? Nói buồn nó cắt cái này nè.
Baba sudah nak kami kok.
Mana?
kan dah
We want peace! 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 Long live Manipur! Long live Manipur! Long live Manipur! We want peace! We want peace! We want peace! We want peace! Isang Praja Hatpa! Isang Praja Hatpa! Lupi Angang Hatpa! Lupi Angang Hatpa! Isang Praja Hatpa! Maray Anilong Babisa! Maray Anilong Babisa! Maray Anilong Babisa! Sason Haitama BJP! Sason Haitama BJP! Isang Praja Hatpa! Isang Praja Hatpa! Lupi Angang Hatpa! Lupi Angang Hatpa! Sason Haitama BJP! Sason Haitama BJP! Sason Haitama BJP! Manipur dagi phamne hena maru oina lawba CM biren! Manipur dagi phamne hena maru oina lawba CM biren! Misam Praja Hatpa! Misam Praja Hatpa! Aikoi Shanti! Aikoi Shanti! Aikoi Shanti! Aikoi Shanti! Long live Manipur! Long live Manipur! Long live Manipur! Long live Manipur! Manipur da Shanti! Manipur da Shanti! Misam Praja Hatpa! Misam Praja Hatpa! Lupi Angang Hatpa! Lupi Angang Hatpa! Sason Haitama BJP! Sason Haitama BJP! Maray Anilong Babisa! Maray Anilong Babisa! Manipur dagi phamne hena maru oina CM biren! Manipur dagi phamne hena maru oina CM biren! Aikoi Shanti! Aikoi Shanti! Long live Manipur! Long live Manipur! Long live Manipur! Manipur thukai ba! Manipur thukai ba! Manipur thukai ba! BJP
BJP na Manipur thugaiba Aikoi Santi! Amen! Aikoi Santi! Amen! Long live Manipur! Manipur in okay! Amen! BJP na Manipur na okay thugaiba! BJP na Manipur thugaiba! Rupi angang hatpa! Isam praja hatpa! Manipur! Aikoi Santi! Amen! Aikoi Santi! Amen! Santi ki khonjat! Amen! Manipur ki khonne Manipur ki siamire! Khonne Manipur ki lo siamire! BJP na Manipur! BJP na Manipur!
Gracias.
प्लीज रोड छोड़ दीजिए प्लीज प्लीज बैक अप